Okay. Yes, learned my lesson. Never going back there. Okay, it's becoming night, so I'll get some firefly slimes anyway. I'm gonna try one thing. I'll just leave all these out. Okay. These are flying everywhere. Oh no. Where can I chuck these? Yeah, okay, that works. I'm just gonna keep all of these here. Hopefully they don't despawn. I wanna see if tomorrow the price rises up. Because you probably can't get lower than $6, right? 6 gold. Okay, let me feed you guys. Come on, eat up. Give me all your plorts. Thank you. Oh, these are more. Okay. Okay, yes, food left later. And I have some big plorts. Okay, I have 312. Not enough to get another. What's that called? A plot. Nope. I need to get one more firefly phosphor. Why do I keep calling it 5? Oh yes. Thank you. And thank you. Yeah, that works. I'll take you also. I'll take you along for the journey. Okay, let me just go back. Oh wow. Oh no, wait. Okay, yes, no. Okay, wait, let me sell these, let me sell these. I wanna pick off all of them so that I can hopefully maybe sometime get them to what? Oh no, wait, what? Okay, wait, I just chucked that chicken out. Okay. Oh, it's a stony chicken, stony hen. I see. What does that do? Does that make stony meat? So I want to know how this thing formed. Because then that means I can. Oh wait, this guy's angry. Wait, can I feed you to make you happy? Oh, it gives me 2. Okay, come along. It gives me 1 of each kind and merge with it. That's nice. Oh, that's really nice. I should keep. Okay, wait, do you eat more? Yes, you eat more. Yes. You eat more? Nope, it's fine. Oh, okay. So I should find a way to merge them. Still nothing. Okay, wait. All through. What are you doing here? You know what? Get out. I don't want you messing with my farm. Okay, I have 2 stony chickens. Hopefully that's enough to make them make children, I guess. Okay, let me collect these. I'll sell these tomorrow. I have $1,200. That's insane. Let me get some stuff. Let me get some upgrades and maybe I'll get another plot. Yes, I should get another plot. Is this another plot? Yes, corral. Okay. I can get all of these also. I don't need these right now. I'll get a plot and I'll get high walls. Okay. Now let me get some upgrades for myself. Let me see what this water tank does, because maybe it's pretty good. Pulse weave. Adds a pulse weave emitter feature to your backpack that pushes away slimes whenever you need some personal space. Okay, I won't get this right now, but that seems pretty cool. Okay, I'll get this. Oh no, I don't have enough. Crap. Fine, I'll have to wait till tomorrow, I guess. Okay. Oh, I have a 5th slot for water. Apparently I can't pick up water from the sea, so I'll just... Okay, wait, let me pick up these phosphorus lines. These seems to be pretty useful. Wait, will these fly? In which case high walls would be completely useless. High walls would be useless if they just fly out. I think I need to... There was like a net on top, right? I think I need to put a net on top to make sure they don't get out. To make sure they stay under my captivity. Pink flowers. I don't need your pink slime. You can get out. Oh, more phosphorus slimes. Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, some rock slimes. I'll get that. I wonder if there's another inventory slot. Otherwise, this is really difficult to have only 4. Okay. Thank you for the plot. Oh yeah, water. Let me test this. Yeah, I can fill water. 30. What does this do? Just waters them down. Does this make them not as angry at me? Maybe? Nope, they're still as angry. Oh god, wait, no. They're still as angry. I am not making that mistake again. Oh, rock slime. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna sleep till morning and then sell my pink plots. That's where I'll end off. Pink plot. Pink plot. No more pink plots anywhere? No. Sleep till morning. Thank you. That was a very little. I guess I'm getting very little sleep with doing this. Okay, the price didn't go up, so I'll just sell them for now. I need the money, so not bad actually. Because like 6 times 30 is like 180, which is pretty good honestly. $180. Then I have multiple batches of these. Okay. So let me. Solar shield. A solar shield will enclose a grill and dim shade, protecting slime sensitive to light. Airnet is a force barrier that covers the top. It can take a few hits before needing a recharge. Oh, this is not for flying exactly. It's just to protect them from getting out. Because you need to recharge it. Auto feeder. Yep. Okay, that's it. Then, I need to get a solar shield because otherwise my phosphor slimes will die anyway. So solar shield. Okay, yeah, they're not dying. Oh god, they can go really high. Please don't fly out. Please listen to me. Okay, nothing for today. I need to get some food for you guys. But yeah, that's a good place as I need to end. This is what I've created so far. So, see you guys.